Before you start to use Git with your VSCode terminal, you have to make sure that Git is installed on your machine. If you are a Windows installer, go to git-scm and download for Windows and install it. Uh, if you are a Mac user, in most cases you don't need to install it because it comes with pre-installed Git. Anyways, once you are installed, then you can use Git with your VS Code terminal. Therefore, if you have any still issues, I will link to this blog post from where you can see a step-by-step process to installing Git. Anyways, and once this is installed, you can open the terminal from this top menu, terminal and new terminal. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl plus tilde. This will open a terminal. So to demonstrate this purpose, I have created a project folder in my desktop named Git-VS Code. I will drag and drop this folder to my VS Code editor. So this is the folder, and now if I want to use Git, I have to open this terminal, and in the first step, you have to configure your Git account, I mean your global username and email, because Git also need to track who is making these changes. To do that, you have to type git config dash dash global user and type your username here, for example John, and hit enter. Since I already have this, so I'm not going to do this again. And in next term, git config dash dash global user dot email, and in this code you type your email here, your email, and hit enter. So I already have configured, so I don't need to do this again. But if you have any issues, or if you need more step-by-step guideline, I will link another blog post that will show this exact process. Anyways, once you have configured your Git username and email, your next command should be initiate a Git repository. So git init and hit enter. This will create a hidden folder .git in your project root. Most cases you won't see this, but my PC is configured to show hidden files. Anyways, this will initiate a Git repository on your project, and in the next step, you have to push this local repository to a remote origin. It could be GitHub or Bitbucket or GitLab or whatever it is. GitHub is one of the most popular. Just sign up for an account, it's free, and go to your profile picture and your repositories and create a new repositories by clicking this button, and make sure you name this repository name same as this project folder. So I will copy this name and paste it here, and leave every settings as there, and click on create repository. Next, I will copy this whole line or only this URL and add this repository to my command line. So copy this and type this git remote add origin and this URL and hit enter. This will add the remote origin. And next, instance all the file git add dash a. This will instance all these files. If you notice that this color has been changed. Anyways, and next you have to commit these changes. Git commit dash m and type any meaningful message here. For example, initial commit or something similar, and hit enter. And now you are ready to push. So git push origin master. After you push, this will take your local repository to this live server, and if you refresh this, you will see that it's no longer empty and all these files and folders came to this repository. This is how you can use VSCode terminal with Git. If you notice that I had another folder in this folder called images. It has not been imported here. This is just because this is empty folder, nothing in it. But if you uh, put any image or any file here, this will be imported. For example, I pasted a demo image, and if I check my Git status, I will see that there has been changed. So I can again git add dash a and hit enter and git commit and another message, but there is a combination of these two messages, git commit dash am. Okay, about this complexity, I am going to going with the previous one, git add dash a. This will instance all these files, git commit dash n and added an image. Hit enter and git push origin master. Now you will see that this folder has been transferred to this repository. If we refresh, you will see that this image has been transferred here. So this is how you can use Git. Most of the time you need only 3 to 4 commands every day. Anyways, I will also link to other post that is very similar to this one and will helpful. Also include a blog post that contains many of the used Git commands and their explanation how to use it and other related articles.